Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Yeah. Now there is what we are going to discuss today about our question paper of FA2, and then after we are entering into our regular class, regular syllabus. And now there is about a bus travel 54 kilometers in 90 minutes. The speed of the bus is, there is a what? The first question answer here. How you write your examination? Students, how you write your examination? Got 25 out of 25? How many? Answer me. How many you got 25 by 25? Yeah, I hope so many are you got. Yeah, there is one check it here. First question answer. A bus travels 54 kilometers in 90 minutes. The speed of the bus is, okay, now the speed is equal to taken as what actually? The speed is equal to taken as distance by time. Okay, clear? Distance by time. What is the distance here given? What is the time it is a given? But it is a given in a kilometer and as well as the minutes. That's why first you compulsory convert the kilometers into the what? Meters, and the 90 minutes it is a given, it is a convert into hours. Yeah, there is a what? 54 into, okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 54,000 it is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then you take it is a 90 minutes. 90 minutes are nothing but 90 into 60. Okay, you take it like this, you will get it is. Got it or not? 90 minutes means, okay, now there is about 5400, okay, now seconds. Clear or not? Now there is a distance is in a meters and it is in a seconds, it will be there. Automatically it is written as speed is equal to taken as, the speed is equal to taken as 54,000 by 5400. Now this is equal to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. This is only about what actually? This is only about our first question answer. The next here. Next come to here. There is a second question answer. Don't confuse about this answer. Second question answer. Don't confuse about this. If we denote the speed by s, distance by d, and time by t, the relationship between these quantities is. The relationship between these quantities is. Here, what it is the relation? It is there. Yeah, distance is equal to and speed is equal to already we written, that is only d by t. D by t. Here the answer is C. Now nearly all the clocks makes use of which motion? Clock are in which motion? There it is a what? Straight line motion, vibratory motion, random motion. Random means what? Sometimes it is straight line, sometimes curvilinear, somewhat like that it is. Not like that, na. Here it is a which type of motion? It is a circular motion. Clock is in which motion? Clock is in a third question answer is what? Clock is in which type of motion? Clock is like this motion it is. Circular motion. Okay, and it is only we are discussed already. And now there is a fourth question answer. Come to here for the fourth question answer. What is the fourth question answer? Here there is a which of the following cannot be used for measurement of time? Once again I repeat it here. Which of the following cannot be used for measurement of time? Which one it is? Yeah, there is a what? Stopwatch is a given, simple pendulum is a given, shadow of an object during the day is a given, blinking of eyes is a given. There is a what it is? Which of the following cannot be used for measurement of time? Okay, blinking of eyes is the correct answer. Okay, now the remaining all are used for measuring the time only. Okay, now one is the stopwatch, another one is the simple pendulum. Okay, now stopwatch is measure the accurate and yes, very small time intervals also. Simple pendulum, it is also measure the seconds. Why? Because it is makes the equal oscillations in equal time intervals. And shadow of an object in the sundial, you know very well. Sundial it is used, but blinking of eyes are not all same now. Okay, so it is not measure the time. That is one. Next, fifth question answer. The fourth one is about answer. That is a D. And the fifth one, the correct symbol to represent the speed of an object. Okay, now don't confuse about that. There is a, it is what is the units of distance? Meter. What is the units of time? Second. Okay, meter per second. Meter per second it is. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a 5 meter per second. The first answer is only correct one. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes? And here there is a next to come to here. What is that? Sixth one. Banu walks to his school. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Banu walks to his school, which is at a distance of 3 kilometers from his home in 30 minutes. And reaching, he finds that school is the closest and comes back by bicycle with his friend and reaches home in 20 minutes. His average speed is kilometer per hour. Banu walks to his school, which is at a distance of 3 kilometers from his home in 30 minutes. On reaching, he finds that school is closed and come back by bicycle, which his friend reaches home in 20 minutes. What is his average speed? Okay, somewhat different question only. Here the answer is you have to solve like this. How to solve it? Yeah. First he is traveled how much distance? Banu is it is a Banu's house. It is a school. What is the distance it is here? The distance between the Banu house to the school is 3 kilometers. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as how much time is it taken for him? It's a traveling purpose. He traveled starts from here and reaches to here by bicycle. He reaches to here in 30 minutes. Then next again it is returned back. Why? Because the school is closed. Yes, and comes back by bicycle with his friend and reaches to the home in 20 minutes. How much time taken? 20 minutes. Total how much distance he traveled? Okay, na 3 kilometers. Total distance is equal to 3 kilometers. And total distance is how much? 3 kilometers plus 3 kilometers. Why? It is a 3 kilometer. Again it is a 3 kilometers. Clear? And now how much time he taken? Total time is equal to 30 minutes for this forward and for reverse 20 minutes. Okay, clear? How much time total is 15 minutes. Total distance is 6 kilometers. Okay, now total time taken for traveling it is 50. Now speed is equal to what it is? 6 kilometers by 50 minutes. So you have to change the units again. Okay, why? Because it is a 6 kilometers and 30 minutes only. Okay, you have to change these two values also into what? Meter per second only. Yeah. Now there is a how we change it then. Yeah, there is a what? You know very well, already completed. That is average speed is equal to taken as here. Okay, now yes. Total distance by total time. There is about 6,000 meters. 6,000 meters by 50 minutes means what? 50 into 60 into 60. So, minutes only na? 50 into 60 minutes. It's a convert into seconds. And as well as the meter per second will be given first. Okay, how much it is? Tell me. Here it is a 6,000. It is a 3,000. Answer is 2 meter per second. Answer is how much? 2 meter per second. And one more important thing is also given here. Now that is convert into the what actually? Kilometer per hour again. One more thing is also given. Here kilometer per hour it is. Okay now? Simply 2 meter per second is a convert into kilometer per hour. How you know very well. Okay, how you convert it is? Okay, for 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 1 by 1000. And for 1 second is equal to how many hours? 1 by 3600. Then multiply 2 into 80 by 5. You will get it simply. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is a become what actually? It is a become 36 by 5. Approximately answer is 7.2 kilometer per hour. This is only the answer you have to find out in this way. Okay, it's a take a time, but this type of questions in the multiple choice questions you have to solve at last. Okay, in case it will be takes a time. Okay, why? Because sometimes there is a time limit is there. Okay, now may you last you are questioning the answers. Which one is a very easy and which takes a less time. Okay, every 1 mark is a 1 mark is only. That's why you don't spend this much of time for a 1 mark in case the less time is taken. Okay, for the others, in case 25 questions are given a 45 minutes of time, it's a very big time, there is not a problem for you in this exam. In case you go further for NTSC or otherwise any other competitive exams, there is may not, time is not sufficient for you. At that time you go for easy questions or one word answers like that. It will be numerical problem now, you will take later it is. Okay now? Yes? And otherwise you practice how to make it speed. Next to come to the 7th one. What is that? A marble tile would feel cold as compared to a wooden tile on a winter morning. Okay, because of marble. Because why it is like that? Why it is like that? Tell me. Is a better conductor of heat than the wooden tile? Okay, and if polished while wooden tile it is not polished, reflect more heat than wooden tile, is a poor conductor of heat than wooden tile. The first one is the correct answer. Okay, the marble tile would feel cold as compared to wooden tile on a winter morning because the marble tile, it is a better conductor of heat. Either it will be take heat, more temperature, or it will take what actually? It will be take less temperature also. Okay, clear or not all the students? That's why only at the winter it will be somewhat cold than the wood. Okay, clear or not all of you? Why? Because it is a good conductor. It is a good conductor of heat. Yes. And then next, come to here, 18th one. X and Y measure their body temperatures, found it is to be 98 Fahrenheit degrees, and Y recorded 37 degrees. Which one of the following the statement is true? Both are same only, na? This 98 6 Fahrenheit degrees is equal to what? 37 Fahrenheit degrees. That's why both are same temperatures only. Both are same temperatures only. X has higher body temperature than Y. X has lower body temperature than Y. Both have the normal body temperature. Here the both have normal body temperature only. Okay. And then come to here the next answer, 9th one. Which of the following is not an oscillatory motion? Okay, clear or not all the students? Which of the following is not a oscillatory motion? That is only 9th one. Which one is not a oscillatory motion? Tell me. Which one is not a oscillatory motion? Yeah, you know very well which one is called oscillatory motion. Which one is called oscillatory motion? No one is have answer from you? Yeah, there is a word when one body is moves to and fro, that is only called what? Oscillatory motion. Got it or not? To and fro motion is only called what? Oscillatory motion. Yes? And here, yes, the motion of the hammer of an electric bill and the motion of your hand while running, motion of a child on a seesaw, motion of a horse pulling out. Okay, which one is here? To and fro. All the above three, A, B and C. In everywhere, in our running, we are made like this. Our hands are made like this here. Okay, and as well as the seesaw, there is a what? There is a what? They are all moving like that here. To and fro only. And in a hammer in electric bell, like that it will be what moves to and fro in a frequent times. Okay, like that it will be 9th one is a D is the correct answer. Got it? The next come to the 10th. The quantity used to measure the hotness or coldness of an object known as what it is? The quantity used to measure the hotness or coldness of an object known as, it is known as temperature. Okay, clear or not all of you? Which properties gives the information about hotness and coldness? The temperature is only gives the information about hotness and coldness of the body. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now next come to here, 11th one. A mercury thermometer use the which property of mercury to measure temperature? Okay, now all the whatever the thermometric substances are there, it is used as a liquids only. Why we are used it is as a liquids? The liquid have one of the good property to measure the temperature. When you produce the heat to the liquids, they are expanding. Okay, that temperature is only used as a expansion. Used as a expansion is as used. Okay, now used as for measuring the temperature. Next come to here. Mercury has a freezing point. It's about minus 38 degrees centigrade. Exact value is 38.6 degrees centigrade, but about 38 is enough, right? It is minus 38. Next come to here. Heat is a form of, you know very well, already we have discussed. Heat is a form of what? Energy. It is a which form? It is a form of energy. Got it? And Next to come to here, the 14th question is important one. Okay, now yes, and here the two clocks A and B are shown in a figure. Clock A has an hour and a minute, yes, hands, whereas clock B has hours hands, minutes hands as well as the second hand. Which of the following statement is correct for these clocks? First one, a time interval of 30 seconds can be measured by a clock. Clock A is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because there it is only measure the minutes only. Next, a time interval of 30 seconds cannot be measured by a clock B. Yeah, it is also not correct. It is possible by the B. As time interval of 5 minutes can be measured by the both A and B. Yes, it's correct. The time interval of 4 minutes 10 seconds can be measured by a clock A. Okay, now that is only important one. When you observe the clock in that one, okay, now all the things are there. Okay, like about second hands, minutes hand, and as well as hours hand. It is possible to measure all the times. Like seconds you have to possible to measure, and as well as it is possible to measure minutes, it's possible to measure hours also. But it will be contain only what actually, yes, in the A it is possible to measure hours and as well as the minutes only. And as well as in the B, it is possible to measure hours, minutes and seconds also. Okay, this is only about the information. Yes, and the next come to here. There is a 15th one. Maximum and minimum temperature measured by. Which one is measured the maximum and minimum temperatures? Yeah, it is possible by the, yes, maxima and minima thermometer only. Okay, na? Yes, and it's a simple question only. Which is measured which temperature, you know very well. Our fever is measured by the clinical thermometer, and in the laboratory the chemical changes. Because of the chemical changes, the heat evaporated or heat may observed. That temperature measured by the laboratory thermometer. Like this, already statements we are discussed. The question is from that one only. One thermometric substance melting point 0 degrees Celsius. I hope you got it. Very important question. 16th one, we are already done already like this problem. 16th one, one thermometric substance melting point is 0 degree Celsius. Boiling point 625 degrees Celsius. Scale of temperature of thermometric substance contain 250 divisions. What it is we consider here? There is a one thermometer is a contain substance melting point is a 0 degree Celsius, boiling point 625 degrees centigrade. Yes, Celsius. Here melting point is 0. Degree Celsius, and boiling point is a 625 degree Celsius, and scale of temperature is a contain how much? 1250 divisions. How much it will be there? 1250 divisions are there. From the 0 to the 625, how many? 625. We have how many divisions are there? 1250. Then we made like this 1250 by 625. Okay, now yes, it is about actually degree Celsius. No, now it is become what? Half degree Celsius. Got it or not? It is about actually you take it is like this 625. Yes, is about difference between the boiling and the melting points. And divisions how many? 1250. Okay, yes, it is a degree centigrade. Automatically it is become half degree centigrade. One division is equal to how much, Nana? One division is equal to half degree Celsius. Like that you have to go with our 16th one. Come to the 17th one. What is the 17th question here? Okay, one thermometric substance melting point 0. One thermometric substance melting point is what? it is a 0 degree, sorry, this completed now. 17th one, 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to, okay, what is that? 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to, 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to how many degrees centigrade? 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to how many degrees centigrade? Tell me. Anyone not have answer? I hope you got it. (50° is equal to how many Fahrenheit degrees? Yeah, here there is a, when you take a 50° Fahrenheit, it is equal to how many degrees Celsius it is? Okay, clear or not all the students? It is, there is actually the 50 degrees is convert into, yes, degrees Celsius. There is a what we are taking here, yes, Fahrenheit is convert into, yes, degrees Celsius. Please, you already have the formula. That is a conversion purpose. There is a two formulas I am provide for you. There is a what? Degree Celsius is a convert into Fahrenheit. You have one formula. What is that formula you have here? Okay, now, yes, degree centigrade into 9/5 plus 32. Degree Celsius into 9/5 plus 32, it is only become Fahrenheit. Now degree Celsius is equal to, okay, now, yes, now the conversion is 50 Fahrenheits are given here. Okay, clear or not all of you? As in opposite manner you have to take here. Fahrenheit is equal to, given here, okay, now you have to find out degree Celsius. Another formula is here, it is a what actually? Yeah, degree Celsius is equal to, this one is a formula, na? Conversion of Fahrenheit. Okay, now it is also taken as F minus 32 by 9 into 5. This is only become as degree centigrade. This is the formula we are already discussing. Fahrenheit degrees is equal to C degrees into 9/5 plus 32. Now it will be given. How it is? Tell me. Yes, what is that? It is a 50 minus 32 by, yes, what is that? 9 we are considering into 5 degree Celsius. What it is? 18 by 9 into 5 degree Celsius. Now it is a become what? 2. It is a 10 degree Celsius. Got it or not? It is taken as 10 degree Celsius. Next, after this, eighteenth one, first thermometer invented by, the first thermometer invented by, who invented first thermometer? Tell me, who is invented first thermometer? Yeah, the Galileo. Galileo is invented first thermometer. He used, okay, the thermometric substance as a aid. You know very well. Yes, aid is a thermometric substance is used. Next, come to 19th one. Find not the properties of mercury. Find not the properties of mercury. Okay, clear or not all the students? Find not the properties of mercury. What it is? 19th one. Find not the properties of mercury. You know very well mercury properties. It is opaque and shining. It is expansion per degree Celsius. Rise in temperature is very large. It does not stick to the sides of the glass tube. It is a good conductor of heat. This is only the things we are considered. Once again I repeat it. It is opaque and shining. It is expansion per degree Celsius in a temperature is a very large. It does not stick to the sides of the glass tube. It is a good conductor of heat. Like this we are considered. Correct or not all the students? Here it is opaque and shining. It is a property of thermometer only. Sorry, mercury only. It is expansion per degree Celsius. Rise in temperature is very large. Okay, its expansion per degree Celsius rise in temperature very large. It is only. It is a which property? It is a alcohol property. Actually, it is not a mercury property. And the remaining all are also two are properties of mercury only. Next, come to here the 28th one. The spinning of the body about its axis is. It is a rotatory motion. 28th one is a what actually? It is a rotatory. It is a what actually? Rotatory motion only we have here. Yes. The next one it is a what? Rotatory motion. Spinning of the top is nothing but like that it will be there. Okay now? It will be only rotate like this around its own axis. That is only about this. And next come to here. Consider the following statement and choose the correct one. Which one is the correct one? One check here. The movement of object is called a motion. An object is said to be in a motion or a moving when position changes with the time. When the position of the car changes with the time, we say that the car is moving or that the car is in a motion. Okay, like that we are considered the 21st. When the position of a car changes with the time, we say that car is moving or the car is in a motion. Okay, now all of the above. Okay, now all are correct statements only in that one. The movement of object is called a motion. That is also. An object is said to be in a motion or a moving when a position changes with the time. That is a very important definition of the what it is a motion. And as well as when the position of the car changes with the time, we say that car is a moving or that the car is in a motion. All are definitions of motion only. And they all are correct answers only. And next 22nd. The tip of the seconds hands of a clock is colored. Which of the following time of motion will be exhibited by the red colored tip of the clock, seconds, hands of this clock. Okay, clear? That is 5:32. Yes. Sir. Next come here. The question is not proper in my print. Next, 23rd. The distance between Anushka Holmes and Devika Holmes is 1425. It is about 1425 meters. Okay, clear or not all the students? And what is the distance is equal to? Okay, now convert it into kilometers. Okay, clear or not all of you? If it is in a kilometers, it is a given, you know very well, 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometers. Then 1 kilometer is equal to, okay now, 1 by 1000 meters. Here also we make like that only. It is equal to 1.425 meters, kilometers. Like that we are considering. And next it is examination paper, not our regular topic. I want to go with explanation of our examination paper. Yeah, 1 million is equal to. So many of the students are not given a correct answer. It is. I am analyzing your paper. Most of the students may you write 500 above students are written this exam. May it reaches 1000 up to. But most of the students are not taken. It is as a what actually correct answer. What is that? 1 millennium is equal to how many years? 1000 years it is. Okay now, and as well as 10 centuries and 10 decades. All are equal or not? All are equal only. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And here there is all the above are correct only. Yes, that is only correct answers actually. Decade is equal to 10 years. Century is equal to 100 years. Yes, and 1000 years. Everything is a correct one. And last question, the odometer is in a vehicle shows there is a 2 meters are contained. One is the speedometer, another one is odometer. Speedometer is measure the speed of the vehicle. Odometer is measure the distance travelled by the vehicle. Yes, this is only about our question paper, students. If you have any doubts, then anyone have any doubts, any question number, please type your question number. If you have any doubt, I want to clarify it. Already I have given answer of everything. Yes, and if you have any doubt, please once ask me. And tomorrow onwards, we go with our regular lesson. We are not completed our weather and climate total lesson. And tomorrow, by tomorrow, climate is also completed. Once again, I want to explain. Today, no homework. Once you analyze the question paper, okay now, and write the reason for the question. Why you write the answer it is. Write the reason for the FA2 questions. Yes, you just write that answers now. But what is the reason why you have taken that answer? Explain it, every question. Okay, bye, take care, and tomorrow I meet with the climate and question answers. Okay, bye.